About a week ago, we got the forecast that we were going to get quite a bit of snow. Didn't pan out that way, but what we got was actually a lot worse. As you can see me struggle to walk over ice. Lots and lots of ice. So coming down from Canada was this huge high pressure system, which was going to dump a ton of snow on us. What ended up happening was we got all three types of precipitation. We got snow, then we got sleet, and then we got frozen rain. So this is what snow looks like.
Oh. Yeah, good timing.
It's airy, it's light and fluffy, it falls down in clumps, it hits the deck and it stays fluffy.
This is snow. Light and fluffy snow.
Sleet, on the other hand, is more like miniature hail. It's the tiny little ice pebbles that come down and cover everything, but you can see that they bounce. And then we got freezing rain. Freezing rain is the worst. What freezing rain is, in the upper atmosphere, it's not quite cold enough for the precipitation to turn into sleet or snow, so it stays a liquid. It comes down, it reaches the lower atmosphere, where it hits the deck and wets everything, as rain would normally do. However, down in the lower atmosphere, down on the ground, however, was about -10 Celsius. So everything got covered in water after being covered in snow and sleet, and then froze over in about an inch chunk of ice. So what looks beautiful is just so deadly. What I'm standing on right now is just snow, but as you can see, it's just covered by an inch of just block solid ice. So all of this along here is just ice.
Get out of here. Get.
It makes it very slippery, very dangerous to walk on. And that's about it. So about a week ago, the meteorologists were forecasting that this was going to be a storm of historic proportions. We'd never forget this storm, which just caused everyone to go into this stupid bloody frenzy of panic buying like they always freaking do. You know, buying all the things, you know, like toilet paper. A storm doesn't give you the squirts. So anyway, everyone went into a panic. What ended up happening was not the 3 to 5 to 100 feet of snow that was promised. It was a little bit of snow followed by a lot of ice rain. Freezing rain sucks, we all know it. But we were prepared. We had a generator in case the power went out. The hardest part about it all was school was cancelled.
Here we go.
We did manage to go outside a little bit, but it was just so cold. I think it was -8 degrees.
Who's there?
Anyway, let's go on another hike sometime. Hopefully when things aren't so slippery. Hey Mel, come here, come.